Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben. I am from the United States. I am glad you are here today. Today's episode is about a rainy afternoon. We will learn words and sentences about rain. We will learn how to speak about the weather. We will learn how to start a short talk on a rainy afternoon. The words are simple. The sentences are simple. You can listen and repeat. First, I will tell a short plan. I will give some words. I will give some sentences. I will give a sample introduction. I will give a short conversation. I will ask you to repeat some lines. You can pause the video and repeat when you need. This is a voice lesson. Speak out loud. Practice is very important. Now I will give some useful words. Say each word after me. You can repeat each word twice. You can pause the video and say the word again. Rain. Cloud. Wet. Umbrella. Puddle. Drizzle. Storm. Thunder. Lightning. Wind. Cold. Warm. Cozy. Soaked. Shelter. Jacket. Boots. Cafe. Window. Cup. Steam. Blanket. Book. Slow. Quiet. Now I will use these words in short sentences. Repeat each sentence after me. You can pause the video and repeat each sentence. It is raining. The street is wet. I have an umbrella. The air is cool. The wind is strong. The clouds are dark. I hear thunder. I see lightning. I like the sound of rain. I like a warm cup of tea. I sit by the window. I read a book. I watch the rain. The coffee shop is cozy. The puddles make small waves. My shoes are wet. I wear a rain jacket. I wear rain boots. I find shelter under a tree. The storm will end soon. Now I will show simple grammar for this topic. We use simple tenses. We use present simple for facts. We use present continuous for actions now. We use past simple for past events. Example of present simple. Repeat after me. Rain is water from the sky. Clouds bring rain. People use umbrellas. Example of present continuous. Repeat after me. It is raining now. I am sitting in the cafe. She is reading a book. Example of past simple. Repeat after me. It rained yesterday. I left my umbrella at home. The storm woke me up. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen first. Then repeat. You can pause the video and repeat every line. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. It is a rainy afternoon. I am in a small cafe. I like the sound of rain. May I sit with you? I have a warm drink. I brought a book. I work as a teacher. I enjoy meeting new people. What is your name? Now I will give a sample monologue conversation. This will be a short scene. Imagine you are in a cafe on a rainy afternoon. I will speak as two people. You can listen and practice both lines. You can pause and repeat. You can speak with me. Person A. Hello. My name is Ben. May I sit here? The seat is open. Person B. Hello Ben. My name is Anna. Please sit. It is nice to meet you. Person A. Thank you Anna. It is a rainy afternoon today. The rain sounds calm. Person B. I like rain. The cafe is warm and cozy. Do you come here often? Person A. Not often. I like this place because the coffee is good. I like to read when it rains. Person B. I read too. I like mystery books. What book do you read now? Person A. I read a book about the city. It is a quiet book. The story fits the weather. Person B. That sounds nice. Would you like another cup of coffee? Person A. Yes please. Thank you. I have an umbrella by the door. Person B. I left mine in the car. I forgot it today. Person A. No problem. The rain will stop soon. We can wait here and talk. Person B. Good idea. I like simple talks on a rainy afternoon. Pause the video now and repeat the whole short conversation. Try to say every line. Practice both parts. Practice is the key. Now I will give more short sentences and questions for small talk on a rainy day. Repeat after me. How is your day? Did the rain make traffic slow? Do you like rainy weather? Do you want more tea? Shall we share a table? The rain makes the city quiet. I enjoy the smell after rain. The air feels fresh. The clouds are low today. Now we practice simple answers. Repeat after me. My day is good. The rain made me late. I like rainy days. Yes, please, I want more tea. Yes, let us share the table. I love the fresh air after rain. The clouds look heavy. Now some polite phrases. Repeat after me. May I join you? Thank you for the coffee. You are very kind. Excuse me, can I get the salt? Please pass the sugar. That is very sweet of you. It was a pleasure to meet you. Now we practice describing feelings on a rainy afternoon. Repeat after me. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel sleepy. I feel cozy. I feel thoughtful. I feel a little cold. I feel happy to be inside. Now small grammar tip. Use feel plus adjective. Repeat after me. I feel calm. She feels cold. They feel happy. Now a short practice of present continuous with weather. Repeat after me. It is raining heavily. People are walking fast. Cars are moving slowly. The river is rising. Children are jumping in puddles. Birds are quiet. Now a short practice of past simple about rain. Repeat after me. It rained all afternoon yesterday. I got wet on my way home. I forgot my umbrella and I was soaked. The show was canceled because of the storm. We stayed inside and we played cards. Now a short practice of future ideas on a rainy afternoon. We use will for a simple future. Repeat after me. The rain will stop soon. I will go home after the rain. We will meet again this week. I will dry my shoes by the heater. Now I will give a list of useful verbs for a rainy day. Repeat after me. To rain. To pour. To drizzle. To thunder. To lightning. To shelter. To dry. To puddle. To splash. To puddle jump. To cover. To warm. To steam. To blow. To watch. Now sample sentences with these verbs. Repeat after me. It is starting to pour. The rain is a light drizzle now. The thunder is loud. I saw lightning in the sky. We take shelter under the roof. I will dry my clothes. Children splash in the puddles. The rain covers the city. The heater warms the room. The cup shows steam. The wind blows hard. Now a practice for asking and giving directions in the rain. Repeat after me. How do I get to the train station? Do I walk or take a bus? Is the station far from here? Can you tell me a short route? Take the second street on your left. The station is near the big library. Walk under the covered path. Now a practice of simple shopping lines in the rain. Repeat after me. Do you sell umbrellas here? I need a rain jacket. How much is this umbrella? Can I pay by card? Do you have a bigger size? Thank you for your help. Now we will do a listening and repeating exercise for longer sentences. Listen first. Then repeat. Pause and repeat each line. It is a quiet, rainy afternoon in the town. The rain makes the windows clean. Soft light comes through the clouds. People move slowly and speak softly. A cup of warm coffee is on the table. The clock makes a small sound. Outside the city looks fresh and new. Now a short reading practice. I will read a longer paragraph. Listen and then repeat the paragraph line by line. You can pause and repeat. Today I walked to the small cafe. The sky was full of gray clouds. The rain began to fall gently. I opened my umbrella and I walked. Drops hit the umbrella like small drums. I sat by the window and I ordered tea. The smell of tea mixed with the smell of rain. I read a few pages of my book. I felt calm and happy. I watched people cross the street. They moved fast and careful. After 1 hour the rain slowed down. The sun tried to come out. A small bright patch appeared in the sky. It felt like a moment of hope after the gray. Pause the video now and repeat the paragraph. Try to keep the rhythm. Speak slowly and clearly. Good pronunciation grows with practice. Now a practice of vocabulary in context. I will say a word and a simple sentence. Repeat after me. Umbrella. I take my umbrella when it rains. Puddle. Children jump in the puddle. Jacket. My rain jacket keeps me dry. Boots. My boots are good for mud. Shelter. We find shelter under a roof. Cafe. The cafe is warm and bright. Window. I like to watch the rain from the window. Steam. The hot cup shows steam in the cold air. Now a small role play where you introduce yourself and talk about the rain. Now I will give directions. Listen and repeat. You can pause and practice. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I like rainy afternoons. I like to read and drink tea. I like the smell of wet earth. Do you like rainy weather? What do you do when it rains? Do you stay home? Do you go outside? Do you meet friends? Now I will give some practice questions. Answer them out loud. Use short answers. Question. Do you like rain? Answer. I like rain. Or I do not like rain. Question. What do you do on a rainy afternoon? Answer. I read a book. Or I watch a movie. Question. Do you prefer hot or cold drinks when it rains? Answer. I prefer hot drinks. Question. Do you use an umbrella? Answer. Yes, I use an umbrella. Or no, I do not use an umbrella. Now some practice with feelings and reasons. Repeat after me. I like rainy days because they are calm. I do not like heavy storms because they are loud. Rain makes me feel cozy at home. Rain makes me slow down and rest. Now a short practice about making plans on a rainy day. Repeat after me. If it rains, we will stay inside. We can cook together. We can watch a movie. We can play a board game. We can write a short story. We can call a friend. Now a listening check. I will say a short story about a rainy afternoon. Listen and then tell me what you heard. You can pause the video and repeat the story. Short story. The rain began at noon. I went out with my friend. We ran to the shop. We bought coffee and we sat by the window. We talked and laughed. The rain slowed and the sky changed color. We walked home under small umbrellas. We were happy. Now pause and try to tell the story in your own words. Speak slowly. Use the words you learned. Now practice polite offers for a rainy day. Repeat after me. Would you like some tea? Can I get you a towel? Do you want my umbrella? Shall I help you dry your shoes? Would you like another cup? Now practice saying goodbye after a rainy afternoon talk. Repeat after me. It was nice to meet you. Thank you for the tea. I hope you have a good evening. Walk home safely. See you again. Take care. Now we will do one last long practice. This will be a full simple conversation from start to end. I will speak both parts. Listen and repeat full lines. You can pause and act both roles. Person A. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. May I sit here? Person B. Hello, Ben. My name is Sarah. Please have a seat. Person A. Thank you, Sarah. It is a rainy afternoon today. The rain sounds like music. Person B. I like the rain sound too. It makes me calm. Do you come here often? Person A. Not often. I like to come when it rains. The cafe is warm and the tea is good. Person B. That is a good choice. I read books here. I write sometimes. Person A. What are you reading now? Person B. I read a short story about a city in the rain. Person A. That sounds perfect for today. Would you like to share a table? Person B, yes please. I do not mind. Do you want another cup? Person A, yes I will have more tea. Thank you, Sarah. Person B, you are welcome. The rain will stop soon, I hope. Person A, I hope so too. It is nice to talk with you on this rainy afternoon. Pause now and repeat the whole conversation. Take your time. Speak slowly. Try to sound natural. Keep practicing. You have done a lot today. You learned words. You practiced sentences. You heard and spoke a short monologue conversation. You practiced introductions. You practiced questions and answers. You practiced polite phrases. You practiced feelings and small talk. Remember to pause the video and repeat any sentence that was difficult. Practice each day for short times. 10 minutes each day is better than many hours once in a while. Speak out loud. Record your voice if you can. Listen and compare. Thank you for learning with me today. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.